I'm not just raving about this product, y'all. I'm actually using this product because look, we is all out. This is a month later. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys read by the title, I will be taking you guys along my thick type 4C natural hair wash day. And so if you have hair similar to mine, now granted this is a half wig because this is a part of my natural hair growth routine, but if you have thick 4C hair and you just want to come along my wash day with me, definitely keep on watching. But before we hop into this video, if you are new, it's so nice to have you here. I am very thankful that you clicked on this video. Here on my channel, I basically do hair videos and also talk about the Lord. I love the Lord, and so if you love those two things, definitely keep on watching. So mainly for this video, I'll be using African Pride products and also Donna's Recipe. This video isn't sponsored by any of these two brands. I so happen to love African Pride. Like, I recently just got put onto African Pride, y'all. Why y'all didn't tell me about this? Why y'all tell me about this? Why y'all tell me about this shampoo? Like, it's so tea, but this pre-wash is even better. So I'm gonna be talking about the two, and I'm gonna just give my honest review on what I feel like you should buy. And so I'll talk more about how I feel about all of the products that I use towards the ending of the video. While we're washing our hair, we're just gonna listen to some good music. I love me some Aaliyah, so I'll play some of her tunes. Comment down below some of your favorite tunes to listen to on your wash day. Lately, my go-to playlist has been worship, but you comment down below and you let me know some of your favorite songs or even genres that you like to listen to on your wash day. If you're new, don't forget to leave me a subscribe, and also I want to know your name, where you're from, and what are you currently learning in this current moment in your life. Like, what are some things that God is teaching you if you are a child of the Lord? And even if you're not, if you don't know Jesus, I want to know, what are you learning right now? There's something that we all could pull from one another. Definitely let me know down below, but let's hop into this wash today.
Alpha Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you, seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need, and I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. Yeah, set apart, covered and blessed. I serve God and say it with my chest. Wake up thankful for his patience, grace and salvation. So nobody bothering me, no weapons formed against me shall prosper. I'm covered in God's armor. Yeah, if you say go, then I'll go. Lord, I only answer to you, so I'ma keep my eyes on you, seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need, and I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. You are all I need, and I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. If you say go, then I go, 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 go. If you say go, then I go, 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 go. If you say go, then I go, 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 go. If you say go, then I go, Lord, I only answer to you. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Prano, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Ooh, you wait for me. to riches, took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. I love it for me. Yeah, I love it for me. Yeah, you always spending time with me. Bet you nothing ain't a dime on it. Bought me at a price a man can't afford. Taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places. No GPS or escaping. No escaping. Yeah, you had everything. Gave it all away. Gave me everything. Drip, drip on the cross. Gave us on the sun. Didn't take a loss. You did it for me. Glory on me, fully clothed. Yeah. No designer still on gold. Yeah. Took me from rags to riches. Rags to riches. Yeah. You wait for me. And you know, six. You wait for me. You wait for me. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. I love it for me. Yeah, I love it for me.
Wash day is complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this wash day Wednesday. Okay, so if I am being honest, you guys, I recorded this wash day a month ago on June 30th to be exact. So it's been a month since I've last recorded this video. I'm just going to give my final thoughts and full review of how I feel about each product and what I feel like you should purchase. For the hairstyle right now, this is a half wig by Icy Hair, and I just decided to style it in a, you know, just a slit back type. For me personally, I feel like both products, it does the same job. Both products, it works very well, but I feel like with this Fill It formula, the name, it says it for itself. Like as soon as you apply it to your hands, it feels like water and it easily absorbs into your hair like butter, like water. Like I will pick this pre-wash over their normal aloe. 10 out of 10 recommend this Fill It formula. Like if you already use the pre-shampoo, you already know how good it is, but this, the Fill It formula times 2 this product. Tangling process, y'all, what usually takes me an hour to detangle my thick 4C hair. In this product, it took me only about 20 minutes. Granted, I was recording as well, so imagine if I'm not recording. I'm not just raving about this product, y'all. I'm actually using this product because look, we is all out. This is a month later. Like I said, I recorded the wash day clips a month ago and I'm all out. So this is going to last you about a month and some change, especially if you don't really wash your hair as frequently. Like it's gonna last you, girl, and it's only $8. So if you're stuck in between which pre-wash you should try, if you've never tried African Pride products before, I feel like you should give this a try. And plus, like, it's a strengthening pre-wash. Like it's going to restore that strength back into your hair. I really love the ingredients that both products have. Like I really love that this has aloe and cocoa water. I'm being honest, I don't know if I would purchase these two products. Like I actually was gifted these products from my cousin but I had this brand for a very long time and I just decided to give it a try. It smells like sweet potato. Like that's the main ingredient. Or I really love the shampoo. It is extra creamy and it definitely is moisturizing to your hair. I have to give their mask or conditioner a try. Only had the leave-in conditioner and a shampoo. Like that's all my cousin gave me. I want to try out more of their products and I'll have like my full thoughts, but from this shampoo, I'll say 8 out of 10. The only thing that I'll say about this shampoo is you have to add in some type of conditioner if you do want to detangle your hair with shampoo. For me personally, when I'm washing and detangling my hair, I don't want to pile products on top of products just to get a nice slip. Like that's an extra step in my wash day routine, and so I don't think I would purchase. And also for the extra creamy leave-in conditioner, I feel like I've had better, sadly. And my better is the Camilla Rose Honey Hydration. I don't think no product can top this leave-in. So hydrating, like it leaves my hair hydrated for a long time, y'all. My hair didn't really hold this leave-in moisture, but like I said, overall, I really love the quality of these products. I feel like they definitely did take their time curating this formula and just making sweet potatoes the main ingredient. Like, that's very different. I've never heard of a brand that has sweet potatoes in their recipe, like the main ingredient, and it actually smells like sweet potatoes. So that's my full thoughts on everything. If you guys truly enjoyed watching this video, definitely give me a like and comment down below some of your favorite natural hair products. Put me on to some of your favorite African Pride products. But other than that, like I said, if you don't use African Pride, let me know what type of natural hair products that you currently use, so I can like give it a try when I have the funds, because I don't really get sent hair products. I love you, God loves you, and just comment down below. Let's talk in the comment section. How was your day? How did you feel about this video? Will you give some of these products a try? Let me know some of your favorite natural hair products, because I would really love to just talk with you in the comments down below. But I love you, God loves you, and we're going to see you in our next video. Bye bye.
Father, Alpha, Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve.